Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you ask for payments in Wise in a very easy method. So let's jump right into it. First, of course, you open our store to make sure we have the Wise app updated to the latest version, just like that. After that, let's quit our store and open the Wise app now. Wait for it to load up, and once it does, log into your account just like that. Now the first step of this easy process is to simply tap on the request button that should be towards the top part of the screen. And here, if you find the person that you are asking the payment from in the bottom here, you can just choose them directly. If you cannot find them there, just tap on anyone right here. Now you have your link. You can tap on share right here to share your payment link with the social media or anyone you want in this category. Or you can simply tap on add amount and notes if of course you want to add an amount right here. So let's type in $1,000 and then add a random note. You can now create the payment link and send it to the person or the organization that you are asking for a payment from. And that is basically it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.